Hey, I'm Matthew, and this is the printing workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to change a fuser out on a Xerox PrimeLink C9065. First thing you're going to do is open up that front cover, and on the bottom there's a green handle with a number 2 on it. You're going to turn that green handle until it's in the unlock position. Grab that green handle and pull straight out on that drawer until it stops. On the right side of that drawer is your fuser assembly. Now you'll notice on the top it's got stickers that say it's hot, so they're not lying. Be careful, that fuser's really hot. Now to take it out, you'll grab the orange handle on the top, you pull straight up, and then swing it out of the drawer. Just like that. And there is your fuser. Now, when you get your new one, get it unwrapped, grab it by the handle, and when you go in with the new one, remember that big white yellowish gear goes toward the rear. So you'll know to have it in the right position. You're going to go in, give it a little bit of an angle to the rear, swing that front down, and then it literally just sits in place. Nothing clicks, nothing does anything. It just sits right there in the drawer. We'll say it again. Don't force anything. You saw how easy that was for me to set that in there. That's how easy it should be for you. If you start forcing things on this model, you're gonna break something. I'm just telling you. Anyway, once it's in there, you close that drawer back up. You lock that number 2 handle, and then you close your front cover. And then you should be good to go. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click right here. Hey everybody, if you would like to see more how-to videos on other models in the Xerox lineup, make sure and like and subscribe.